Get him.
What?
Get the you got the tin foil, right?
Oh, fuck no!
I don't want that. Hey.
More. No more. No more.
Hey.
Man, what kind of example are you providing for the schmore
Community. Goodbye. Goodbye. Farewell.
Hey, open up the door. I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna unlock you. I'm gonna unlock you. Come back here. Come back. Open up this goddamn door. I'm gonna unlock you.
Take off. Farewell.
All this blender this year.
Huh?
I know you. They'll never find me in here. Are you ready, Tobias?
What the fuck? No! Oh. It's your mother.
Mother? Where's Papa?
I shouldn't even have to be an actor. I'm the camera guy.
We need more people!
We do, but no one's interested.
Real men in action.
Well, we picked some peppers from a garden.
Yep.
And
Some peppers I grew.
and it's and this kind is a very red one, so that's means danger right there. Very dangerous.
Here's the pepper.
Oh man, when that goes in my mouth, I'm probably gonna drink a whole
I don't think you were supposed to eat the stem, buddy.
Little tangle.
Yeah?
Gonna swallow it.
Maybe not swallow the stem. We got another one. Here's a green pepper. It should... Yeah. It should be more mild, probably. Is it mild? I don't know. I've never tried it. It's your turn.
How is this helping?
It's helping me.
This is fucking annoying. Stop it. I'm gonna break it!
You're just like a cat. Is there anything you would like to say for the...
It's gay.
What?
What?
No,
I'm gay. You're gay.
Na, 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 na. What are you...
I don't know what you want from me. And be like, no!
We lost mute. No!
You're looking it up! You're not looking it up!
Oh, I'm sorry.
We had the same issue.
Is God smiting me down?
Jerry, was our fucking battery replacements! This footage is not usable.
It's usable in the other forms.
Let's fucking do it.
I think it's usable.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Look up and go, no.
Bigfoot.
Uh-oh.
That may have been a bad idea. You might as well keep fucking filming this shit. Fuck! Fire!
Fucking. Wow, that looks actually real. That is.
Come here!
That is scary.
You son of a fucking bitch!
That is.
I'm here for Santa's soul!
It's really scary how real that looks.